Good day my friends. In this video I will show you 3 tips for this watch Casio MWD-110H. Anyway, if you're interested in the review for this watch, you can check the video in our channel. Okay, first is the LCD check. You can do that by pressing 3 buttons at the same time: adjust, mode, and also start. So you can hold the watch in this position and then press those 3 buttons at the same time like this, and you will see this LCD check screen. And then you can press the start button and see this code 3242. Okay, and then press again the start button. You will move to this LCD check screen, and then again another LCD check screen, and then we are returning to the timekeeping mode. The next tip is to return to the timekeeping mode by using the mode button. So for example, if you're in, for example, this one at the stopwatch mode, you can return to the timekeeping mode without pressing the mode button several times. You can just press and hold the mode button. So for example, this one, I will press and hold the mode button and it will return to the timekeeping mode. You can do this from any other mode. For example, this one, the alarm mode, press and hold, and now you're in the timekeeping mode. The next tip is for the alarm sound check. And to do that, you need to be in this one, the alarm mode, okay, AL, this one. And then we can press and hold the reset button, okay, and you will hear this alarm sound check. Okay, release the reset button, and now we need to also press 3 more times the reset button to return to the previous setting. So 1, 2, 3. So now it returns to the previous setting. And yeah, that's all for these 3 tips for this watch Casio MWD-110H. Hopefully this video is useful, and thank you for watching. Now let me press the mode button to return to the timekeeping mode. See you again in the next video. Bye.